Hello everyone, those who are joining, just a second. Now Heer and Ajita will also join in a moment. Then we can start the whole thing. Hi everyone. Hi Vidhi, hi Tisha, hi Sanvi, hi Sanya, hi Harishri, hi Pranav. Just a second. Heer is joining. Hey, we have 10 viewers right now. Hi Manav, everyone. Hi everyone.
Hello.
Hi Heer. Hi everyone. Hi Sumant. Hi Yuraj. Just a second. Now Archita will also be joining right now. We have 12 years right now. Thank you. Hi Pragya Didi.
Hello, Sanya.
Hello. Hi Sahir.
23 viewers. अच्छा जा रहा है.
23 viewers. That's great. So guys, it's our first live session. Archita, try to connect again. It's our first live session. As you know, yesterday we posted something confab, and that's what we are doing that right now. Just a second. Archita is here, guys. Hello
Hello
everyone. We have
everyone.
25 years right now. I think we should wait for a moment if some more people join. Hey. Hello everyone. Those who are waving, hi.
Hi Sanya. Specifically.
Hello.
Hello. Tisha.
I think he is facing some problem. Just a second, she'll join right now.
Hi Harishri. Thank you for coming.
Please bear with us because it's our first time going live and two, three people are there on the line. So please bear with us. How's everyone doing? Please write it in the chat box. Hi Anand.
सबके एग्जाम्स कैसे गए सब ये भी लिख सकते हैं. एनीथिंग यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग. सबको
Yes.
सब छूट.
He is facing some problem, I think. Yeah.
Hello Sahil. Okay. Here.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
yes.
he is here back. Okay, we are decreasing on viewers, but it's okay, no problem with that. So we are at 18 viewers right now, and everyone's here. Most of us, yeah, I know most of you.
I think we should wait for more 5 minutes,
Archita, here
right?
everything's
People are
okay.
joining.
Everything's okay,
Yeah.
like network and all, mic, everything.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
It's our first live session, guys. I'm repeating it once again. It's our first live session, and we are going to talk about our organization and some obvious facts. Then from the next time, हम एक proper topics पे हम बात करेंगे, and we'll do live sessions. We would love to have you all in each and every live session we do. Please call your friends as well if you know anyone who can join right now our live session. Great, Pranav. That's great. Hi, Kushi.
It's all fluctuating. 18, 20, 25, 19.
Yeah, we'll
Now
wait for a
80.
minute, one more minute, and then we can start. So that if anyone's joining, they don't miss out on something if they are joining. Guys, you all will get a chance to speak at the end. Many of you will get a chance. Like anyone can talk about कोई भी story है या कुछ आप share करना चाहते हो कुछ भी you can talk about over here. This is our platform, right? We can do whatever we want and for the society, like we are
And
the youth.
and don't be shy. I know हम सब
Don't be
इंग्लिश में बोल
shy.
रहे हैं लेकिन we know इंडिया में ही है हम लोग हिंदी बोल सकते हैं. So किसी
Don't
को
be shy.
कुछ
We
भी
all
कोई
are.
भी
Exactly. Like we all are the same. Like सब लोग सेम ही पर है अभी मतलब this is our first time and nobody is a public speaker over here. Hi Pratyush, finally you have joined. That's great.
137. Nice timing.
Thank you Sanya, thank you. I think we can start right now. We have 20 to 21 viewers and it's fluctuating, so we can start right now. I think. Archita,
Yes.
here you guys are ready, right? We can start.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sure.
absolutely. Sure.
Hi Dhruti, everyone's joining right now. So hey there everyone, thanks a lot for joining our first live session and helping it in making a successful one. Your presence has motivated us to start with full energy. Hope you all have told your friends as well, and don't worry, we aren't gonna bore you most probably. Confab means an informal public interaction, so feel free to say anything and in the chat box whatever you feel simultaneously we are telling, and you can also speak. You can also write your feedback and whatever you want. And this is our platform. You are free to put up your point of view as well as feedbacks. Now, introducing ourselves, I am Arshak Sinha, and most of you know
I
me.
am He Punjabi.
And I Archita Singh.
And we all are students studying in school and hustling side by side with our social service. Like taking you, like I'm not telling any history or कुछ पुरानी बातें नहीं बता रहा कि how we started and all, but casually speaking, like on 15th October, my friend Pratyush, who has just joined the live session, me and my friend Pratyush, we started organization with a very big vision, like we wanted to help people a lot. We did that earlier as well, but we were not doing it in a very official manner. But very few resources, unfortunately, keeping in mind that we will work hard for the society with a vision of creating a platform for all to spread awareness and messages with attractive content with the use of Instagram and many other, like we recently opened our YouTube channel, Twitter account. Please follow us there. Please follow us there if you are on Twitter and YouTube, like everyone uses it, right? So you can subscribe there and comment on our video. The same IGTV video is uploaded over there. So, like with the help of you all, we were able to launch really well with over 4,000 views on our IGTV in just one day, guys. Like it was a very, like it gave us so much. We got so much motivated. We got energetic that now we are ready to 4,000 views was a very big deal with us. And imagining that if it had affected 50 people to go out and help someone, like anyone, like go out and help someone, it was a great deed for us. As we moved ahead, more of our friends like Archita, Heer, Pratyush, Anya, many other joined us, accompanied us, choosing our team wisely and keeping people who wanted to work with work for the society passionately. We met great people like Sonu Sood sir. We met him, and he's our true inspiration. We all know the work he's doing, and fortunately, like with the God's grace, we got so many blessings from people, and because of that, so many good reviews, blessings. Like we guys are doing a great job. It motivated us, and we were able to work with full enthusiasm and motivation to bring a change. And we still are working. Like we aren't very big. Platform or something which is having thousands and lakhs of followers, but the main thing that matters is your motivation, your enthusiasm, and your motive for which you are working. And our promise, like coming up with new ideas and interesting content to engage you all, and taking a promise to inherit goodwill and charity in your lifestyles as well as yours. Here we are. For example, our first clothing campaign was a great success. We worked hard for a week and we made our homes the center for receiving the clothes, going to door. We the whole week, all day for collection, distributing thank you letters at the last, and like it was like we never thought but it was such a successful campaign. We were able to collect 200 plus pairs of clothes, and we did a collaboration, our first collaboration also with SG Trust. And like for us, it's a big deal. Like in half a year, we have held over 400 people and are still going on with many other things. Like this live sessions going on right now. Everybody's coming 23 viewers that we are having right now. And IGTV, like 4,000 views on the first one, second one touching around 3,000. And awareness posts, donations, and much more in the line coming. You have seen yesterday at Perceptible, our group members Tisha and Juhi are going with the Perceptible thing, which is about the drawings and all, and it will have a very deep meaning. So stay updated, stay posted. I would request you all to stay with us during the whole journey and make our vision successful. And the feeling you get by helping others is literally like it's no, we can't describe in words. And you'll get a chance to speak in a while, as I told you all earlier. And let's make this meeting make this live session our meeting group and indulge in the discussion freely. And we are going to talk about the society, the welfare of the society. Like we are the youth, and we are the ones who can bring a change. Like we are a whole generation. We have a whole generation, and like we can bring, if we want to bring a very big change, the whole generation needs to understand and work on the same, right? So please don't leave, as now he is going to speak about some important facts we need to know, and little bit of like very casual things, like she'll speak about the numbers and the actual facts which we really need to know, and that will affect us all. Like it's really disheartening. Please, he continue.
Hey guys, as you might know, I am Heet Punjabi, and today we are going to talk about on the topic hunger and needy people, and also about our organization. So when it comes to our organization, it is the Human Society India, and we officially started it at 15th of October 2020. हमें ज़्यादा time नहीं हुआ है, 6 महीने ही हुए हैं, but the progress level is quite good, and we hope it flourishes in future. So coming to the facts, no, let's just talk more about our organization. We posted a video on Instagram stating the actual condition of the people across the world. So globally, about 8.9% of the world's population, that is 690 million people, go to bed on an empty stomach each night. And if it continues at this rate, it will exceed 840 million people by 2040. And if we specifically talk about India, it is 194.4 million people, and that's not a good thing. If you guys remember, there was this sustainable development goal for hunger that was launched on 15th in 2015, and it calls for ending hunger in the world by 2030. But unfortunately, with the world hunger on the rise, this goal will likely not be met, even without considering the effect of COVID-19. मतलब COVID-19 अगर pandemic नहीं भी होता तो भी हम लोग उस goal पे reach नहीं कर पाते. Estimates say suggest that an additional 83 million to 142 million more people will be chronically hungry due to the pandemic. Some regions, if we talk about the malnourished people, so there are some regions have a higher proportion of malnourished people than others. Although poverty reduction efforts have paid off in achieving better access to food in developing countries, a healthy diet still is out of the reach for the world's poor. And if we talk about the national economic growth, doesn't necessarily mean better nourishment for all. So basically what I think the problem ये है, हमें solution पता है, we know the solution, but still we are not acting upon it. So that's not a good thing. But there are so many ways that we can help the people, needy people out there as an individual, so that we can come up to a conclusion, a good conclusion. So we can donate. One of the easiest and the most obvious ways of helping the poor and needy is through donation. You can donate your old clothes, your one-time meal to someone, your old toys, books, etc. One is you can educate the poor people. It's like poor and needy people cannot afford the education, as we all know. So teaching them in a sustainable way to grow their own food could help them to lead a better life. Better understanding, we can have a word with them. We can help them in a better way by understanding their wants, their desires, their thoughts without declining their dignity. We can raise funds, that is fundraising. That's a good idea. Stay inform yourself, like articles पढ़ते रहो, अपने आप को informed रखो कि census के हिसाब से क्या क्या चल रहा है. Then social media is the best way. Social media has become one of the most used, easiest, and the quickest way to pass on the messages from one end to the other end of the world. So you can raise voices, like हम आज अभी live session दे रहे हैं इसके लिए. You can raise awareness. You can post about menstruation so that people can freely talk about it. Then we can, if you don't want to join in an organization or NGO to help people, then you can help as an individual. That's a great thing. And then, if not anything, then as a moral consolation, if you cannot help the poor people through donations, then one of the better ways to help the poor and needy is to give them a hand up rather than a hand out. Giving moral support, showing heartfelt humility and respect to poor people makes them aware that someone really does care and trying to improve their condition. So I would like Archita to speak ahead and tell us about our journey. Over to you, Archita.
Okay, तो finally मेरी बारी आ गई है तो थोड़ा हम बोलेंगे. So the thing is, we were very excited for the mission that like we were planning, as it is rightly said that giving is better than receiving, and the joy of giving is the best thing in anyone's life. So at initial stage, we donated ready-made home cooked food and groceries for a month to almost 20 to 25 people. And that was our first initial small campaign. Then, as we know, it was the pandemic time and it was necessary for everyone to wear masks. But we noticed that many of them weren't wearing masks. Like अगर किसी को एक वक्त का खाना नहीं मिलता है, वो मास्क कैसे अफोर्ड करे, क्या खरीदे, क्या करे. So what we did was we bought the mask and gave it to them. The way they ran towards us when they saw the mask, like it showed how much they needed it. The smile on their faces was really, really very satisfying. So like now we wanted to take it more further. So we gave food packets to almost 70 people. The motive was very simple. So many people who need your help, sitting out there living an uncertain life today, they have food, tomorrow they may not. The question is who can help them? It is us, because like we have the resources, we are well equipped, and we are capable of helping each other. Then like it was the winter season around December something, and we all know it was so cold outside. We were loading ourselves with 2 3 blankets all the time, and like we were keeping ourselves warm. But thinking about the needy, we thought, how can we expect them to be on road all day without anything? So we distributed blankets to almost more than 30 people so that they can have a peaceful night, and we were glad to do so. Then, like to be more precise, we had a word with them. We wanted to know what they want to do in future, like what are their plans and what is stopping them to do so. So some wanted to be a police officer, some pilots, and like they are more ambitious than we can think of. Keeping their thinking strong in these circumstances isn't easy, but they are doing this and they know the actual importance of what they are aspiring to be, because like there will be generations affected if they won't.
Like, totally agreed with you, Ajita. And like, this was all we wanted to say for today. Like, आपने देखा कि the numbers which he spoke about, like so many millions and millions of people sleeping hungry every night, and इतने सारे problems के साथ, and we are in a very comfortable situation right now, right? Like we have food to eat all the 3 times. We tell our parents that हमें ये खाना है, आज हम बाहर से खाएंगे. We go out with our parents. We have each and everything. And if you see, like precisely if you see, you don't have to like spend so much amount on like if you want to give someone to eat. It costs like around 50 to 60 rupees a one meal a day. Like it's not more than that. So I'm like, basically we want to spread a message that just a second. that like we are capable, we should be donating like on a daily basis. Like we have a habit of doing some things like we should inherit that thing in our lifestyle. Like on a daily basis, we should inherit that we should go and we should have an habit. Like we should make a routine that like we'll donate 3 times a week, or we'll sponsor one family, or we'll donate medicines to a family, like something like that. You go to a public hospital, there are so many people, there are so many people, those who don't have money, they are suffering from so many diseases, they have the prescription from the doctor, but the medicines aren't available, the treatments and everything is matlab, overall it's so expensive that they aren't able to afford it. That's the reason they are suffering from all this, like food and everything. We all are capable, right? We all spend so much on talking about us, like clothes, headphones, phones. We are spending so much amount, and if we see that monthly, if we keep 500 rupees aside, right? Only 500 rupees if we keep monthly aside, we can help so many people. Not only with food, you can just go and talk to them. You can just sit with them for a while. Like I'm not telling you that go and there will be like I know COVID. COVID times are there, so we can't take that risk. But still, like recently when I went for donation, we were like we donated and we were there, हम उधर खड़े होकर उनसे बात किए, like the lady was telling us कि मैं इसको पुलिस ऑफिसर बनाऊंगी, like पुलिस ऑफिसर, मतलब वो चाहती हैं कि उनकी बेटी पुलिस ऑफिसर बने, एंड दैट उनकी बेटी, मतलब जब उनकी बेटी से मैंने बात किया, शी वॉज वेरी स्मॉल, तो मतलब उसने ऐसा बोला कि भैया हमारे पास बुक्स हैं, वी हैव बुक्स, एनसीईआरटी या जो भी उनका गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में चलता है, लाइक यूज रहता है, एक बुक में लोग शेयर करते हैं, दे डोंट हैव नोटबुक्स, दे डोंट हैव पेन्स, हाउ कैन वी एक्सेप्ट, मतलब एक्सपेक्ट देम टू डू दैट, राइट? Even we can't, because we have so many things that we aren't able to do it. We think like life is so hard, like we are currently in 11th standard, right? So we feel like life is so hard, we have to matlab so many competitions and so much, and tuition timings, Allen वगैरह वगैरह, we have so many tuitions going on, but after all that they are keeping their selves, fully motivated with whatever, like she wants to be a police officer, but the resources aren't there, but still she is not like कि नहीं होगा, मुझसे नहीं होगा, like we say कि it's too tough, this is too tough, this is too tough. They aren't saying that. They are in government schools, मतलब उनके पास कुछ नहीं है, still they are so much motivated, right? They still, like we should do something for them, like books, notebooks, pens and food, something to play, something, like just go and do it. Like it's very easy, it's very easy if you decide that you
Yeah,
have to do
right.
it.
Like I want to add something. The thing is, the people think कि मतलब अगर we have donated in an organization, like the normal procedure is कि हम लोग के पास अगर कुछ amount होता है, huge amount है, कोई भी amount है, we go to an organization जहाँ पे भी होता है and we just donate it. So don't do that. Like आप अपने area में तुम जितना कर सकते हो, you should do that. Like सिर्फ organization में amount देना is not enough. अपने area में you know someone की जो needy है, तो you can go to them, you can talk to them, you can give them food. So it's not like that ki if you go to an organization and you have given some amount and okay, our duty is done. No,
Yeah,
don't
like
do that. Yes.
राइट, हमारे जैसे वी आर नॉट अ रजिस्टर्ड और प्रॉपर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, बट आप देख सकते हैं कि मतलब कितने इतने वी डोंट हैव दैट मच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन इंडिया, इफ वी सी, मतलब उतने सारे वी डोंट हैव सो मेनी सेंटर्स, वी एंड एक सेंटर कहाँ कहाँ तक रीच करेगा? दे डोंट हैव अनलिमिटेड वॉलंटियर्स, राइट? दे हैव लिमिटेड वॉलंटियर्स, लाइक वी हैव आवर ओन लिमिट्स, लाइक वी कांट go beyond this area, beyond this limit. But if we decide mutually that like in human society, what we do is, if you want to join, you can DM us. Then when you DM us, we interact with you, and then you go and donate it in your area. You are a part of human society from your area, like anyone from Delhi, Mumbai, Chandigarh, wherever, you can join the human society. Just whatever you have, there's very little you have to do. You just have to go and donate, sponsor groceries, sponsor, like it's not a big amount, I'm telling you. We have regular income, right? They don't have. Today in the morning they are eating, they're not certain about whether they'll get food in the night or not, right?
Hmm.
So now we can like that's what we spoke about. The same way you have to talk to us. So now I'll starting with
I
Sahil.
would like to add something to this.
Just a second. I'll add Sahil. He would like to speak something. Just a second.
Even
I've invited Sahil. He will simultaneously we'll call everyone. Those who want to come join with us in the live stream, just put that in the chat box. I'll let you join.
Here you
So
wanted
guys,
to say something.
see
I
more than
one
yes,
more like
she
it's showing.
wanted
It's
to
showing
she
who
she wanted to say something. Here.
here. Say please. Sorry, I got.
हाँ आई वाज सेइंग कि ऐसे ड्यूटी की तरह मत लो कि कोई करना ही है, इट इज योर ड्यूटी, अंदर से आना चाहिए। एक हिंदी में है भी एक लाइन है कि अगर तुम्हारी वजह से कोई स्माइल करता है, if you become someone's reason to smile, your life has a worth. Your life actually has a worth कि तुम्हारी वजह से कोई स्माइल कर रहा है। So don't take it as कि हमको किसी ने से गन रख दिया। It should be from your heart itself. तुमको अंदर से आना चाहिए, तुमको ये करना है।
Exactly.
Right.
Sahil has some network issues. He
Listen,
will
listen,
join us.
listen, guys. We can't add more than 3 members in the live room. It's showing. So I am on the main thing.
Okay.
So any one of you, please, if
I
you can. Okay, thanks a lot here. Thanks a lot. Stay and come
well,
on the live, right? Come on the chat box right now.
yeah, sure.
Yeah. Yeah, so now I'll be adding. Sanya, would you like to join us and speak something? We have Dhruti as well. I'm sending a request to Dhruti. Dhruti wanted to speak. If she is ready right now, I've sent a request.
Okay.
Hey Dhruti, how are you?
Okay.
Hi. It's a great pleasure, to come and be on this page. So thank you
It's
for
not like that.
inviting
It's not
me.
like that, please.
So I was through the live, I missed, I guess, the first 5 minutes or something. I missed the live, but the entire time I've been here, it was really pleasant, listening to this and hearing about the things which we actually know, but we don't focus on things that much.
Ignored.
These are some, yeah, we kind of ignore it. We are not, that much, we don't pay attention to those things. But hearing this now, it seems like, we try to help, but we are helping in the wrong way. Sometimes it feels like that, the thing about donating to organizations. I'm not saying that it's a wrong thing to do. I personally do it. I donate to organizations, but helping out with these small things like giving books, giving maybe food, and it's not just about the leftovers. What I have seen people is like हाँ हम देते तो है, हम खाना दे देते हैं जो
Yeah,
बच जाता है।
that's the wrong
Now
thing. That's the wrong thing.
exactly, yeah. Now I just want to ask people, put yourself in their position. अगर तुम्हें कोई बचा हुआ खाना देता है तो तुम्हें कैसा लगता है? उनकी तो
Exactly.
पोजीशन ही उनकी तो पोजीशन ही ऐसी है कि वो लोग एक्सेप्ट कर ही लेते क्योंकि उनको अपना पेट भरना है। तो आप उनकी तरफ से भी सोचे कि उनको क्या लगेगा।
We all are human beings and we should be treated equally.
या एग्जैक्टली, इट्स नॉट लाइक ऐसे मत करो कि हमारे पास पैसा है तो हम खरीद के खाएंगे, उनके पास नहीं है तो उनको जो बचा हुआ दे देंगे। नहीं, अगर आप कुछ खरीद के खा रहे हो, एक और चीज ऐसी खरीद लो और उसे दे दो। वो
Exactly.
बंदा भी खुश, आप भी खुश। एंड
Exactly.
आई कंप्लीटली अग्री विद ही कि मतलब उसने बोला कि ऐसे मत करो कि जैसे आपकी ड्यूटी हो। डू इट एज अ योर, ऐसे मत करो कि हाँ हमने बोला उसके लिए कर रहे हो। नहीं, अपने मन से करो। ऐसे करने में तो
Exactly.
कोई भी कर देगा, मन से करने का ही एक अलग बात है।
Yeah, exactly.
ये चीज है तो दैट इज वन थिंग व्हिच आई रियली अप्रिशिएट। ही ने ये पॉइंट उठाया that doing this and what you guys have started is not a duty. You
Yeah.
guys wanted to do this and that's the reason you started it.
Yeah.
When you first started it, I'll be honest with it, मैंने तुम्हारे पेज को बहुत ही रिसेंटली फॉलो करना चालू किया है। आई हैव हर्ड अ लॉट अबाउट दिस, म्यूचुअली तुम लोग मेरे म्यूचुअल्स में हो सब, द पीपल हु आर द कंप्लीट फर्स्ट होस्ट जिन लोगों ने चालू किया। यू गाइज आर द म्यूचुअल्स, मतलब मेरे म्यूचुअल्स में बट वी वर ऑल्सो नॉट क्लोज बिफोर
Yeah, exactly.
recent period of time. So I knew about this page but उतना नहीं। I have and then after this, when I saw this and now the like I've seen Instagram पे हम सब लोग active है ही. So
Hmm.
now I saw those stories and I'm like, okay, fine, like then this was the live session. I was like, yeah, let's attend it. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? मेरे घर पे मेरे comfort में I'm attending.
Yeah,
You know,
exactly.
why
Yeah,
not? हाँ,
exactly.
मतलब एग्जैक्ट मुझे कहीं जाना भी नहीं पड़ रहा है, कहीं दूर भी नहीं है, नजदीक भी नहीं है, मेरा घर
Hmm.
मेरी जगह, आई एम अटेंडिंग.
Yeah.
सो दैट इज द थिंग, लाइक कंप्लीटली अग्री विद इट कि मुझे ये चीज, आई पर्सनली लाइक्ड इट.
Yes.
I
Thanks a
am
lot.
personally a person
Right.
who loves to help people, and just not
Yeah.
anyone. Like in my friend group also, I love to help people and try my best कि मैं उनकी मदद भी कर सकूं. Either it be with
Yes.
studies or anything, studies, any social help, like anything. Just be there for someone.
Yeah.
That is one thing which I like. And personally, I am a person who motivates mental health, and
Yeah,
mental
I've
health is
seen that.
something, yeah, like motivating it is a different thing, and being there for someone is a different thing.
Yeah.
I definitely say this, not trying to steal your platform or something, but
Yeah,
just to know the
sure.
love.
It's
Yeah.
like it's anything that will affect the everyone.
Yeah,
It's good for everyone.
yeah, like just a notice out here. Yeah, this is my Instagram link. This is my Instagram account. Anytime, if any one of you wants to talk, you can definitely DM me. I respond to my DMs, just not creepy men. That's the thing. So yeah, like anyone can DM me. My DMs are always open for you guys. Like helping out people is a thing which I personally enjoy.
Yeah.
I love doing that. Like like this is, if you have heard of the Chief Group,
Yeah,
the
I have heard it, but
Vedant.
I haven't.
Okay, yeah, like Vedant. He's actually not from our school.
Okay.
वो Navrashna से, so he has also started this thing. It is known as Chief Group.
Okay.
So that was started during this Corona period only.
Okay.
Like no, like it was started way before I joined them during the Corona period. So
Okay.
I saw that, I don't know, I was introduced to it by a friend only.
Okay.
It was the Corona time period, so it was like everyone was bored at home. क्या करना क्या नहीं. This was the opportunity to help people, and I personally like that. So I was like, yeah, sure, why not?
Hmm.
Let's join that. So I joined it, and
That's great, Jyoti.
yeah, I went to, like, I helped one to two people in there. We delivered groceries and all this. We tried to talk to people around us if they needed any help, because the older people were not getting out of their places, and they definitely don't know the new technology. हम लोग तो घर पे डिलीवरी करवा लेते थे.
Hmm.
वो लोग ऐसे ही स्मार्टफोन से अभी नॉर्मल कॉल्स और वो सब करना सीखे थे, तो ना वी डोंट एक्सपेक्ट देम टू नो द ऑनलाइन डिलीवरी एप्स एंड ऑल दोस स्टफ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was the thing, and then that was one thing. So we talked about it, we helped our best, and that was a really great time. Like I am not connected to that group. It was just
Anyway.
yeah, the thing that we can help that. So that was a great thing. And definitely I would like to join the new campaigns. If you guys start any, I'll
Yeah,
definitely
sure,
try
sure.
to join.
I'll let you know all the details. I'll send it
Yeah,
to you for sure.
like I am definitely, I've followed the page, so if anything is there from the page, I'll get to know that. But
Sure,
any
sure,
other
sure.
information, then you definitely know me, so you can
Yeah,
just DM
obviously,
me.
obviously. Feel free to contact you. No worries.
Yeah,
So thanks a lot, Dhruti.
thank you, it was
Thank you,
amazing,
Dhruti.
Yeah, so we'll add
talking
some
to you
more
guys.
right now.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Dhruti.
Thank you. Okay, can I know how do I leave this? Okay, I don't know
You
how
just have to
to.
press that cross button over there.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
So anyone
Now we
else
have
कोई मतलब बोलना
Sahil.
चाहेगा?
Sahil is coming. Sahil is
Sahil?
coming.
Okay.
There are many other people who will join right now. Like they are joining right now because of some network issues, little bit here and there. Hey everyone, thanks a
Sanya
lot.
को Sanya wants to.
I've sent an invite. Just a second, they'll join.
Who is
Only
this?
three people can join at a time. So here's Juhi. Hi, Juhi.
Okay, Juhi. Hello, Juhi.
हाय।
Hi.
Hi.
ये क्या बोल
अरे you
Like
can say
तुझे
anything.
आज इसका
एकदम
you
बिंदास.
can say anything मतलब तुझे अगर
ये
क्या पसंद
फर्स्ट है
आया.
एकदम. हमारे लिए भी फर्स्ट है, सबके लिए फर्स्ट है. You can speak anything.
मैं हाँ वो तो है, मैं थोड़ी नर्वस थी हूँ बट आई एम सो
Don't be
प्राउड।
nervous. सब एक दूसरे को जानते
आई
हैं.
एम नहीं, मेरे को पिछले 3-4 दिन से हम लोग जो भी काम कर रहे हैं ना, तो मुझे रोज की
हाँ.
रोज अपडेट मिल रही है और फिर मेरे को खुद को इतना प्राउड फील हो रहा है कि मैं इस ग्रुप का पार्ट हूँ और मुझे बहुत
That's
मतलब
great.
खुशी हो रही है और वो मतलब मेरे को सही में बहुत खुशी हो रही है। लाइक आई एम वेरी हैप्पी
That's
टू
great.
बी
We
द
are
पार्ट ऑफ
glad to
दिस
have
ग्रुप।
you as well. Yeah, she if you guys don't know, she's a very great artist. जो perceptible वाला हमारा section है वो जूही और तिशा पूरा संभाल रहे हैं and it will be like एक ऐसे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे pictures रहेंगे जो मतलब जिसके पीछे बहुत ज़्यादा deep meaning होगी and you know like she's really happy to be with us and even we are happy to have you Juhi because you have really good skills which can be very helpful for the society, you know.
थैंक यू।
Yeah, actually.
Yeah. So now we'll call Sahil in the live session right now.
I don't know
यस
where is Sahil. He has
Yeah, I'll
lost
call him.
touch.
I'll call him.
Arey, but Harishri wants to say something. If you can add her, you can send the request.
Yeah, yeah. I'm actually it's a line kind of a thing.
Okay.
It's going one by one.
Now she is
Sahil is
telling that she wants to
trying
say
to join
something.
since last 3-4 times. So let's give him one more
Yes.
chance.
हेलो गाइस।
Finally,
Okay.
he's here.
अरे नेटवर्क इश्यूज आ रहे थे थोड़े इसलिए।
कोई बात
Okay.
नहीं, कोई बात नहीं.
Hi, Sahil.
हाय,
Hello,
कैसे हो?
Sahil.
He's
बस.
my best friend. Everyone, if you guys
Yeah,
don't know.
everyone knows that. ऐसा नहीं है कि we are complete strangers. So just wanted to appreciate how much work you're doing and just wanted to say कि हाँ तुम लोग कर रहे हो इट्स पे मतलब I would love to join in और यही मतलब harsh reality है कि मतलब कुछ लोग हैं अनफॉर्चुनेट लोग हैं जिनकी हम हेल्प कर सकते हैं तो हमें करनी चाहिए और यू गाइस प्लेटफॉर्म जो उनको हेल्प कर रहे हैं तो दैट्स रियली अमेजिंग और मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब यू हैव टू बी इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू हेल्प पीपल यू कैन
Exactly.
मतलब आप हेल्प कर सकते हो ऐसा नहीं कि हम मतलब आपको सेपरेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आपके घर आपको कोई मतलब अनफॉर्चुनेट कोई ह्यूमन दिख जाता है आप उसको खाना दे सकते हो उसकी हेल्प कर सकते हो मतलब
Exactly.
ऐसे वही इट्स द हार्श ट्रूथ यू कांट हेल्प एवरीवन बट
Yeah.
आप जिसको हेल्प कर सकते हो आप उसको जरूर मतलब उसकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए लाइक in the comment section
कमेंट में
भाई
अलग ही
मेरा
चल रहा है.
Tisha,
Something
I
कुछ
can
अलग ही चल
understand
रहा
your
है.
feelings, guys. Just apart from all this, Tisha is a very good friend of Sahil, and since I came to Vadodara since last 2 years, he's asking for his football from Sahil, which he has taken in 9th standard, and he's in 11th right now. So let's give a
I
round of
lost
applause
it.
for Sahil, everyone.
I lost it यार नहीं मेरे पास वही शिफ्ट किया था तब नहीं था मतलब
Like first,
खो
go and
गया पता नहीं अब कहाँ
donate a
पर है
football to Tisha, please.
या प्लीज स्पैम कर दो सब तो मतलब टीशर्ट को डोनेट कर दो फुटबॉल में मेरी तरफ
Okay.
हाँ भाई 9th स्टैंडर्ड से पता चल गया मेरे को हाँ that's
Getting
it
on to
भाई
the topic right now.
वही इस टॉपिक से हट के थोड़ा तो वही मतलब जैसे कि अभी वर्ल्ड में 690 मिलियन हंग्री पीपल है तो मतलब हम सबको हेल्प नहीं कर सकते ना पर ये आसपास में जो मिल रहा है उनको हेल्प कर ही सकते हैं हम तो करनी है मतलब और मतलब मेरा ये मानना है कि मतलब ऐसे आप किसी को हेल्प कर रहे हो तो आपको ऐसा जताना नहीं चाहिए उनको या किसी और को भी कि हाँ हाँ हम आपकी
Yeah,
हेल्प कर रहे हैं हेल्प
Yes,
करके
exactly.
छोड़ दी
हाँ, कर
that's
exactly.
दी.
very
Yes.
that's not a good thing कि आप मतलब okay if you're sponsoring someone's education you don't have to मतलब you don't have to मतलब
Yeah,
हर conversation that I am helping you like make them realize that they have भाई comment section में अलग ही चल रहा है
अरे
हाँ हाँ तो भाई you don't have to मतलब in a way don't make them feel guilty that you're helping them just
yeah,
make them
yeah,
feel
exactly.
yeah,
grateful कि
exactly.
you're being helped
Yes, exactly. And like these platforms, you don't need a proper platform. Like हम
वही
सारे
आप
volunteers
हेल्प
हैं.
कर सकते हो आपको
Yeah,
थोड़ी मतलब
exactly.
You don't need an
like अगर
Instagram
अगर
page.
हम भी,
I mean, you're doing
yeah,
an amazing job, but सब
yeah.
लोग कर सकते हैं ऐसा.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
that
Like
is
आप लोग को ऐसा नहीं
Exactly.
सोचना कि we are volunteers only, we are doing it like something like it's something which anyone
why
and
everyone
everyone
can do.
can do.
It's not something that we have opened, we have started an organization and they have to help. I mean, I know
Yeah,
there are many NGOs and stuff that help people, but NGOs can't help everyone. They don't
Yeah.
have. I
we
mean,
have
they
our own
can.
limits, right?
Yeah, we have our you can help just the people that you know are struggling, like the
In
people
your
you see
area.
every day. Yeah, in your area, like the people who pick up your trash, the people who
Hmm.
come at your house to clean it. You can help them.
Hmm.
They're not very rich. I mean, they are not very rich. You don't have to bargain
Hmm.
with them. I mean, I have
Yeah.
seen
Yeah,
people
exactly.
bargaining with these people. I mean,
Yeah.
I know a person in my society was bargaining for the with the trash picking person to and they are doing the dirty work. They are picking up your trash and you're bargaining with them and asking them to reduce the price. That's not something that you should do. And
Yeah, exactly.
they're not. Yeah. So and even I know it's a meme or some meme that you don't bargain at a mall and you bargain at a with a grocery person, and that's actually true. Why people do bargain with grocery people and not bargain with the
Yeah,
Yeah,
till a
exactly.
certain, if you go till a certain extent, it's okay. But for 100 rupees, like people bargain like कि 100 का दे रहे हो नहीं 80 rupees का दे दो. Like for 20
Yeah,
Why,
rupees, you
exactly.
are like
that's like
just
मतलब people think that they are earning a lot of profit from that, but they're
yeah.
actually not. Like
You
बोलते कि
need
भाई
to, yes,
भाई
you need
ठीक
to understand that that's the only source of income for them.
भाई उनके लिए वही
If you
सोच है आप
bargain in
लोगों
that, that
आप
will vary a lot. And how will they manage their whole thing? Like they also work hard. They should
उनके
get
पास
something for that.
भाई जैसे अगर इट्स लाइक जो वेजिटेबल बेच रहे हैं या फिर फॉर एग्जांपल जस्ट उनका भी बिजनेस ही है ना आप किसी के
Hmm.
पास जाके मतलब लाइक यू बाय शूज फ्रॉम अ रियली एस्टैब्लिश्ड ब्रांड लाइक नाइकी यू डोंट बार्गेन विद देम लाइक कि
Yeah,
भाई
exactly.
5,000 का है तो 2,000 का दे दे ऐसा तुम
Yeah,
लोग कोई
exactly.
करता
Yeah.
है क्या नहीं करता है ना
हाँ.
तो फिर क्यों ही
Yes.
करना है उन लोग के साथ क्यों करना है भाई 100 रुपए की सब्जी खरीद रहे हो 100 रुपए दे दो ना 80 रुपए में
वही
क्यों निपटा रहे हो
वही
उनको उतना
Yeah,
ही
exactly,
लेना है
exactly.
ना
exactly, exactly.
हाँ,
So
वही
thanks a
and I
lot,
think
Sahil.
Thank you so
yeah,
much.
it's a
Thanks
Okay,
a
pleasure.
just
lot.
one
Thanks a
thing.
lot.
No
Yeah,
Hmm.
problem, man.
exactly. Like
It's a pleasure, man. It's really
one
I
thing
am
I,
really proud of you guys. You're my friends. I mean, it's really proud that you're doing this stuff, and I am मतलब it's I am grateful to be friends with you and you guys.
We do, we
okay.
do. Thanks a lot, Sahil. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Okay, just one
And
thing to your notice. One
you
thing,
need to
yeah.
correct our grammar once this live session
Ah,
Yeah,
gets
sure,
over.
yes.
no problem,
Yes,
no
yes,
problem.
please, please. It's necessary. It's
Yeah,
necessary.
yeah,
Yeah.
no problem. That's all right. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Sahil.
Yeah,
So one thing I
actually,
would like to bring to your notice, one thing, like we guys, we can't allow everyone, like we have only few minutes left. तो जितना हो सकता है, we will try
Yeah,
because
now
we will have
Sanya
more
will
sessions.
join and then Harishri and everyone will join. Please stay, guys. Please stay.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you
Sahil,
guys.
we can
It's
have only
been
3 members at a time, so yeah.
Because the thing is, ये live session we are doing is good, but इसके बाहर की भी दुनिया है. You all know. तो जरा तो okay, we will
Now
try as
Sanya is
much as
joining.
possible जितना हो सकता है. Sanya, okay.
Hi,
Hi,
Sanya.
Sanya. Okay,
Okay,
थोड़ा
so
volume up,
like,
please. थोड़ा volume up, Sanya, please. Thank you.
am I audible?
Okay, okay. You can speak. Yeah, you are audible.
Okay, so this was an unexpected one. So, okay, I just wanted to speak just few things what he had also said, and I just believe in one thing that we should do everything with passion and dedication. That is the thing which is required for everything. like be it studies, be it about donations, be it about anything. You just need to have that dedication.
Exactly.
But you know, you know, you should not just, you should be able to feel the pain. You should be able to, imagine yourself in their position. मतलब कि आप अगर इधर उनकी जगह होते, so what would, like, what would you do? What would you feel? And that's the time when you will realize that no, like हमें कुछ करना है उनके लिए, इस सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ करना है.
Exactly, son.
Because that dedication is necessary. So I just want the guys, please don't do it like formality के लिए कुछ भी मत करो. Like do it with your full heart. कि नहीं, आपको तो करना ही है उन्हें donate, आपको उनकी मदद करनी है. You should do it with heart.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
You shouldn't be like,
Yeah, that's what I said, because the thing
That's
is
what.
people do. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. क्योंकि मतलब they give the amount and they are like, okay, हमारा सब खत्म. We have done whatever we want to. Don't do this. Like
Yeah.
एक जन के पास you talk to them, उनको खिलाओ, उनसे बात करो. It is enough. And हमारे पास इतना time है, हमारे पास इतने resources हैं that we can do this. ऐसा नहीं है
Yes,
कि हमारे पास
exactly.
नहीं है. We have that. Yeah, so we
Yeah.
can do
So
this.
thanks a lot, Sanya. We can allow more people to come. Thank you, Sanya.
Thank you, Sanya. Thank you.
okay, how to exit?
There's a cross button in the. Thank you.
Yeah.
Now we'll be adding Khushi. Khushi, I'm adding you, Khushi.
Who is Khushi Agrawal?
Yeah, Khushi Agrawal.
Okay. Then please add Harishri. She is eager to
Yeah.
talk to us.
Yeah. After this project. Hi, Khushi.
Hello.
Hi, Khushi.
Seeing you for the first time.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so honestly, see, we live in our homes like luxury life. So I didn't knew that there are people who cannot afford a meal for a day. Honestly, I didn't knew this. But after I joining this human society, I searched for people in my nearby my localities, nearby my home. Then I found there's so many people in my city only who are who don't have blankets to in during winters. They don't have food to eat. So I cannot see that thing because I cannot imagine people not having food. So me and my grandmother, we made khichadis in a bowls, and near our home only we used to distribute the people who are like hungry, and we distributed shawls also. So it was the happiness which we get from that thing is as next level, because I think the main happiness is the satisfaction, and we get satisfied when we
Yeah.
help somebody. Yeah, that's the main happiness I get. So I enjoyed that thing a lot. Then every Sunday I used to go I used to say my grandmother that chalo dadi khichdi banate hain, and we used to distribute to those people. So that is the that I feel so good after doing that. It's the most beautiful thing I personally think I did till now. So
Yeah.
yeah,
It's like
it's very
you
good.
feel something which is like beyond, like you cannot describe in words. Like it's something, a feeling
Yeah,
of
exactly.
completion and satisfaction
Yes.
comes in your
Yeah, I
mind
also
and your
want to
heart and
add
like,
that
yeah,
don't if you give man a fish, you feed him for a day, but you give if you make him learn how to fish, you like feed him for the life. So don't just
yeah,
donate, I think that's my
Yeah,
opinion, don't just
exactly.
donate
Mm.
goods, donate knowledge
exactly,
also. Like people my इधर मेरे घर में जो भाई लोग हैं जो काम करते हैं, उनके जो बच्चे हैं, during lockdown I used to see them that अपने बच्चों को हमारे घर लेके आओ, and I used to because देखो अब I am in first year, so I can of course make them study 9 10 standard things. I can easily make them
exactly,
study. So they cannot afford tuitions, and the 9th standard studies maths is not easy. So they need guidance, and they made themselves are not so much like they don't know how to. They are not studied, so they cannot make their children study, and they cannot afford tuitions for them. So people, my mate, her daughter got failed thrice in 10th standard because she cannot clear maths. So I was
Okay.
feeling so bad for her. So what I did, in lockdown, see, after my 12 boards, I was having nothing to do. Okay, my college didn't started because of COVID. So I explained her each and every chapter slowly, and she got past 10th. So
That's so
she's
great.
so,
Mm.
yeah. So she was so grateful to me. She's so grateful to me that you made my daughter pass the 10th standard. I was like, I enjoy doing that. I love studies. So I also love making people study. So it's like that. Just you don't need, if you cannot donate like things, you can donate knowledge. That's
Yeah.
also a big thing to do.
Mm. Exactly.
That's what we have and they don't. So like we need to give
Yeah.
proper knowledge to them, like how to go through. Like if she wants to be a police officer, like I told earlier, but she doesn't know
Hmm.
how to go for it. So at least that much we can help because it won't be a burden for us. We
Yeah.
spend
So वही
our
सोच रही
we
हूँ that
spend
I'm
our
19 and what I'm doing in life.
yeah.
Like you guys are, I didn't know that you guys are in 11th standard. I was like, okay, might be like a big something like 2022. So I
No,
was like,
no.
तुम लोग कर सकते हो तो मैं 19 year हो सकती हूँ तो कुछ कर ही सकती हूँ. So yeah.
Like thanks a lot.
Mm.
Thanks a lot, Kushi.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now I'll join Harishri. Harishri,
Okay,
Harishri.
now we will take, I think we can take two people now, last two,
Yeah, yeah,
because
yeah.
the time, right?
Yeah, as soon as like people are, we have 10 minutes more. We have 5-10 minutes. We can do it as quick as possible.
Harishiko, you have
I've
sent the
sent an invite to
request.
Harishri.
Okay.
I've sent. Like it was a very good thing. Like the knowledge part which Kuchi said, it's a
Yeah,
really good
exactly.
thing. You
Because
can
the thing
call your
is,
main.
yeah, because the thing is कि खाना खिलाओगे एक दिन पेट भरेगा, it's done. But if you give them education, आगे के लिए काम आएगा and they can work for it. Like education से वो आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. So it
Yeah,
is a
exactly.
good thing.
Yeah. So it's like if someone wants to do something like
Oh,
educate them,
great.
we
Thank
can
you,
do it
Heer.
easily.
Heer, yeah, great. Heer, like I have tuition, so if I leave, please you join. Like you send the request to afterwards,
Yeah.
after 5 minutes. Thank you.
Harishri
Okay,
isn't
so
able to join because of some issue. I think I'll send her the request for. I'll send her the request one more time.
okay.
Yeah, so she's here. Hi,
Hello,
Harishri.
Harish.
Hi,
Okay, the network is okay. Now it's okay.
It's fine. It's fine.
okay. I'm a little nervous, so I'm
Yeah, don't be nervous. We all know each other, right?
Harishri, I am here. I am here. You know me.
okay. Yeah. So, this might sound out of track, but I wanted to lay emphasis on the importance of Sanskrit language. This is what I wanted to say and share since since my eighth standard.
I know
Sure,
that.
People
sure.
think
It's time.
that
Mm.
Sanskrit, Hindi, or whatever these languages make you less cool,
Yeah,
right?
Exactly. Right. Yeah.
Uh, the best thing, the only thing that you can ever donate is knowledge.
yeah,
So Sanskrit, this is for everybody. Okay, like you cannot judge anyone on the basis whether they can speak English or not fluently.
yeah,
Come on, it's because English is right now, US is ruling the world, but that doesn't mean that you are uh, less knowledgeable, illiterate because you don't know English.
yeah. Exactly. It's just a language like Hindi and Sanskrit.
Yeah. uh, I don't know whether you guys know this, but I guess you know. US NASA is developing computers which will recognize Sanskrit, like
Oh.
it will be the default language, because
Okay.
in English no is also no and NOW is
Yeah,
also no.
that's the
But
that's the, I know
Yeah,
that. Like it's
There are a lot of spelling mistakes that we all make. So
yeah,
uh,
English is not that difficult to learn. Like everybody can speak in English. Even if you teach a completely dumb person, he'll learn English very easily.
yeah,
But Sanskrit is what makes you artistic, makes you intelligent, makes you healthy as well,
yeah.
and
yes.
develops the brain. So I don't know what to say else, but people literally judge, like come on, तो संस्कृत के बारे में बोल रही है, like कितनी old है.
I know, like eighth
What?
standard mein
Yeah,
I
that's
know.
the mindset we can't, you know.
Eighth standard mein I know you used to talk about Sanskrit and the people like Sanskrit se Harishri phir aa gayi. I know that. I know that.
Actually, I like singing, and with God's grace, I'm good at singing. I'm learning English, English, no, Sanskrit right now, and I want people, this generation, to learn that. Don't get this, waste your
Yeah,
time.
the Sayukta is a very good
Some
point that yeah, exactly.
Other
Sayukta is a very
countries
good
speak
point.
their
Like,
native language, which makes me
their
envious.
native
That's
language.
exactly, that's,
this, we are wearing all these t-shirts and all, like hoodies, and what rubbish. Like, I don't want English or in those
No, the thing is,
nuances.
no,
People
we
don't
don't
do it.
hate any, no, we don't hate anything. The thing is, like, if you are wearing a kurta, no, you are going out, like, people will, like, ऐसे देखेंगे जैसे पता नहीं क्या पहन लिया है. ऐसे kurta is not the like हम लोग daily नहीं पहनते.
like, see,
हम कभी कभी पहनते हैं
you
traditionally.
should see what I feel is you should be free to choose any language and any outfit you want to like wear and speak about.
Yeah, right.
But there shouldn't be anything like if you can't speak English, then you know you are not so well educated and all. That not decides like
Yeah,
we
exactly.
yeah, exactly. So it
But
should be free.
but
It should be free to choose. Like if I want to wear something, I can wear. It should be free to choose. But at the same time, the society should be treating each and every language, outfit, and everything equally.
yeah.
Like if we are
But
wearing traditional
yeah.
clothes, like people would say कि पूजा करके आई,
हाँ
and
एग्जैक्टली पूजा करके आई है मंदिर से आई है बाहर कहीं से आया हाँ एग्जैक्टली
Exactly.
दे विल नॉट टेक इट कैजुअली वी विल नेवर वेयर कैजुअल लाइक कुर्ता एंड वी विल नेवर हमारी
Hmm.
मम्मियाँ पहनती थी
another
वी नेवर
another thing is this science, commerce, and arts. I want to lay emphasis on
आर्ट्स
arts. Like
या
people say that हाँ इसने नहीं score किया the arts में. You know
एग्जैक्ट
what? The people who chose arts are way creative and way intelligent than you are. You are
Hmm.
going on that already taken or already trodden path. That
Yeah.
those people have guts to become a stand uniquely in front of the world. They are, what do I say, they are presenting their talent in front of the world, writing poems, make painting and all is not everybody's cup of tea.
या एग्जैक्टली
I will say no, no,
एग्जैक्टली
can't. I am horrible at art, but I am good at singing, and I like writing poems too. These
Yeah.
things should be appreciated, and in India, people are not appreciating
but
that.
the conclusion if you are going to an interview you can't speak in Hindi you can't really you can't they will judge you
Yeah,
right the
that's a
whole
very broad
conclusion
topic. That's a
yeah
if we
that's a very
see
broad topic
if we see that's a very broad topic, and like at the same time I told we should like the conclusion, the main conclusion is the outfits, language, streams, professions, whatever we say. The main conclusion is all that external things which we do. It shouldn't be given that importance that it affects our emotional balance and our way of approaching to things. Right. We give so
exactly
much importance to language, outfits, and everything. Like it shouldn't be given so much importance that it affects our emotional balance, our approach, and our our speciality. That's the thing. We should treat
exactly
each and everything equally.
exactly
Yeah, right.
Exactly. So
thank you
now
so much Harishji for
I
the
would
points
like to add anyone who would like to come like Pranav. Yeah, Pranav. I'll add Pranav right now if he's here.
थैंक यू सो मच हरीश्री, ये पॉइंट जो तूने मतलब ऐसा दिखाया, दैट्स अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट. वी विल हैव अ ब्रीफ डिस्कशन ऑन दिस, और सेशंस होंगे. सो द लाइक प्रणव अभी ज्वाइन कर रहा है, राइट?
Yeah, Pranav is joining.
Okay, Harshak, now it's 2:30. Thank you, Heer. Thank you so much बताने के लिए. And I have to take a leave. मेरा ट्यूशन है,
Yeah,
so
okay,
I
it's
have to
okay.
go.
We can, yeah,
So,
it's okay.
so I would like to take a leave and thank you so much, like for talking, like for being here.
It's okay, Achita.
So, okay, so thank
Hi,
you.
Pranav. Yes, Achita, you can
Hello.
leave, no problem. Hi, Pranav.
Yes, hello all. I'm Pranav Khanna. I'm in 10th grade, and I would like to say that the motive of the human society is building a nation which is towards the people who can't afford many things like the food, the living, and all. So by helping them, by giving them some privileges, we can um, improve our society.
Exactly. That's all from your side?
Yes.
Thanks a lot. So, guys, we'll end it here because I also have to go. I have tuitions right now. So, we'll end it here, guys. Thanks a lot. It was our first time and it was awesome. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot. Confab first episode gets over here, and then all your responses, the people who came and have spoken up. That's awesome. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.